Hey everyone, welcome back to High-End Horizons, the channel where we explore the cutting edge of technology on entrepreneurship. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to never miss an update from us. In today's episode, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and uncovering the top 21 businesses you can start using Chat GPT-4, the latest game-changing AI technology developed by OpenAI. So buckle up and get ready for a deep dive into these incredible opportunities. First up, we have AI-powered content creation. With the advanced natural language processing capabilities of Chat GPT-4, you can create an agency that offers high-quality content writing services. Think about blog posts, social media content, product descriptions, and so much more. With GPT-4's ability to generate human-like text, you can quickly scale up your operations and cater to a wide range of clients. Imagine the time and effort you'll save by having an AI assistant create compelling, engaging, and relevant content for your customers. All you need to get started is a GPT-4 API key, some basic knowledge of programming, and an entrepreneurial spirit. Moving on to our second business idea, AI-driven customer support. We all know how crucial customer support is for any business. And with Chat GPT-4, you can revolutionize this area by offering an AI-powered chatbot service. GPT-4 can understand and respond to customer queries with ease, providing accurate and timely support 24/7. Your clients will enjoy reduced waiting times and improved customer satisfaction, while simultaneously cutting costs on human resources. To get started, you'll need to integrate GPT-4 with your clients' existing systems or create custom chatbot solutions for them. Just remember to keep refining the AI responses for even better performance over time. Our third idea is AI-powered language learning. With Chat GPT-4's impressive language capabilities, you can create an innovative language learning platform that utilizes AI-generated conversational practice. Your AI-driven platform can offer personalized learning experiences for users, adjusting the difficulty and topics based on their progress. This will enable users to practice their speaking and listening skills in real-world situations, all while receiving instant feedback from their AI tutor. To bring this idea to life, you'll need to develop a user-friendly platform that integrates GPT-4's language capabilities and offers engaging interactive lessons. With hard work and dedication, you could become the next big name in language learning. At number 4, we have AI-based personal assistants. Chat GPT-4 can be used to develop a virtual assistant that can handle tasks like scheduling appointments, managing emails, and even answering general questions. With GPT-4's natural language processing, the assistant will feel more like a real person and less like a machine, offering a user-friendly experience. Fifth on our list is AI-driven market research. Using GPT-4, you can create a platform that helps businesses analyze trends, customer preferences, and competitors. GPT-4 can synthesize vast amounts of data, providing actionable insights for businesses to make better decisions and stay ahead in the market. Number 6 is AI-powered social media management. With Chat GPT-4, you can develop a tool that helps businesses optimize their social media presence. GPT-4 can generate relevant content, schedule posts, and even analyze user engagement, making social media marketing more efficient and effective. Seventh on our list is AI-assisted recruitment. GPT-4 can be used to develop a platform that automates the recruitment process, from job posting to candidate selection. By analyzing resumes, job descriptions, and other data, GPT-4 can help match candidates with the right positions, streamlining the hiring process for businesses. Coming in at number 8 is AI-generated graphic design. By combining Chat GPT-4 with visual design algorithms, you can create a platform that generates stunning and unique graphics for businesses. From logos to social media images, GPT-4 can help designers save time and effort while delivering high-quality results. Ninth on our list is AI-driven financial analysis. GPT-4 can be used to develop tools that analyze financial data such as stock market trends, financial statements, and economic indicators. By providing businesses with accurate and timely financial insights, GPT-4 can help them make more informed investment decisions. At number 10, we have AI-powered online education. With GPT-4, you can create a platform that offers a personalized learning experiences for students, adjusting the content and teaching style based on their progress. GPT-4 can also be used for automatic grading and feedback, allowing educators to focus on more meaningful tasks. 11th on our list is AI-enhanced video editing. By incorporating GPT-4 into video editing software, you can create a tool that streamlines the editing process. GPT-4 can help with tasks like video summarization, automated subtitles, and even content suggestions, making video editing more accessible to a wider audience. Coming in at number 12 is AI-assisted event planning. GPT-4 can be used to create a platform that simplifies the process of organizing events, from suggesting suitable venues to generating personalized event schedules. GPT-4 can also assist with tasks like managing guest lists, coordinating logistics, and sending out event reminders, making event planning a breeze for your clients. At lucky number 13, we have AI-optimized e-commerce. With GPT-4, you can develop a platform that enhances the online shopping experience by providing personalized product recommendations, offering intelligent search functionality, and even generating targeted marketing campaigns. This will help businesses drive sales and improve customer satisfaction. Number 14 on our list is AI-powered game development. By integrating GPT-4 into game development tools, you can create a platform that generates realistic game characters, dialogues, and even storylines. This will allow game developers to save time and resources while still creating engaging and immersive gaming experiences for players. At number 15, we have AI-assisted mental health support. Using GPT-4, you can create a platform that provides users with personalized mental health resources and guidance. While not a replacement for professional therapy, GPT-4 can help users identify potential issues, offer coping strategies, and even suggest when to seek professional help, making mental health support more accessible to everyone. At number 16, we have AI-driven fitness coaching. With GPT-4, you can create a platform that provides personalized workout plans and nutrition advice based on users' goals and preferences. GPT-4 can also offer motivation and real-time feedback, helping users stay on track and achieve their fitness goals. 17th on our list is AI-powered legal assistance. By leveraging GPT-4's ability to understand and analyze complex texts, you can develop a platform that helps users navigate legal matters. From drafting contracts to providing guidance on legal processes, GPT-4 can make legal support more accessible and affordable. Coming in at number 18 is AI-based travel planning. With GPT-4, you can create a platform that offers personalized travel itineraries and recommendations based on users' preferences and budgets. GPT-4 can also provide real-time updates on flights, accommodations, and local attractions, ensuring a seamless travel experience. 19th on our list is AI-enhanced interior design. By integrating GPT-4 with visual design tools, you can create a platform that generates personalized interior design suggestions for users. GPT-4 can take into account users' tastes, preferences, and budgets, making interior design more accessible and enjoyable. At number 20, we have AI-powered talent management. With GPT-4, you can develop a platform that helps businesses identify, nurture, and retain top talent. GPT-4 can analyze performance data, offer personalized development plans, and even predict potential future leaders, empowering businesses to make data-driven talent decisions. 21st on our list is AI-driven medical diagnostics. By combining GPT-4's natural language processing capabilities with medical data, you can create a platform that assists healthcare professionals in diagnosing illnesses and suggesting potential treatments, ultimately improving patient outcomes. There you have it, folks. That's a total of 21 incredible business ideas you can start with Chat GPT-4. Remember, the possibilities are nearly endless when it comes to AI-powered solutions. Which idea sparked your interest the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to High-End Horizons for more insights into the world of technology and entrepreneurship.